Hi dear friends, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will be learning about how to put the material on your object. So first, let us make the object. So what I am going to do is that I am going to make a floor of 10 meter by 10 meter. So I will go to my customize unit setup. In this, I am going to take a meters. Okay. And let us say that this one is, I am going to make this one grid as 1 meter. So right now let us check how much it is. It is coming 10 meter. So again I will go to the tools, grid and snap setting, and in the home grid I am going to make this as a 1 meter. So now if you go close to it and if you go from one point of the grid to another point, it is going to give you 1 meter. So let us make a floor of 10 by 10 meter. So I am going to drag it like this, and at the same time I am going to see on my parameters, and let us say that this is 10 by 10 meter with some thickness. So this is my floor and I am going to give this as, let us say, 0.1. So this is my floor ready, and on this floor I am going to put a material and I am going to put it in a perfect way. So what you need to do is that first step is to go to the material M on your keyboard. You are going to get a material slot. You are going to select one of the material slot. Now if you are interested to change the color of this material slot, you just need to go on this and you can select whatever color you want. Okay, and this you are going to select the material and you are going to assign the material on it. Now this material is related to the color. So anything which is related to the color, you need to go and select in the diffuse. So this is related to the color. Now let us say that how do you put the material on your objects. For that, again I am going to go to the material and I will go to the second slot, and in this slot, instead of selecting the color, I am going to go and select the next slot in which it is coming none. I will select it, I will go to the bitmap and I will go to my folder where I have all these material arranged. So here I have arch material. So here I have all the materials. Now let us say that I will select a material which has got this looks good. Okay, fine, open. So now I have this material, and selecting this material I am going to apply on my object. So at first you will be not able to see it, but then you have to go from here 1, 2, 3 and 4, which says show material in your viewport. The moment you come to select it, you will be able to see the material on your object. Now you can see that it has been come as 4 by 4, because if you check in your material, if you check your material from down, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want to increase this material, I mean if you want to increase the number of blocks, let us say, so you can go in tiling. Now if I put 2 by 2, so you can see 4 into 2, because in original you have a 4 blocks, and if you put 2 here, so in X and in Y it will come 4 into 4, 4 into 2, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this side and 8 on this side. So this is how you are able to put the material. Again we will copy this floor and we will try to give some other material on it. So I will go to the material M, I will go to my box slot, empty slot, and here instead of this part, that is color, I am going to select the none. Here I will go to the bitmap and here I am going to select some other material. Let us say that I am interested to put this material. I will say open. Now you can see that this material has come over here. I will select the object and I will assign the material to it. At first you will be not able to see it, but then you will click show material in the viewport. So the moment you click it, it is going to come now. Now this can be reduced and this can be increased with the help of tiling. If you put 2 by 2, it is going to increase, and instead if you put 0.5 by 0.5, it is going to reduce. So depending upon your requirement, you can put how much ever tiling you want. Also, if you have some material which is related to a carpet or a mat, you can even put that. Let us go to the next slot. I'll go to again my material slot, and instead of this I'll select some carpet. Let's say, yeah, I'll go a little down. Yeah, this looks good. Let's go down. If you have a carpet, yeah, this looks good. Now this is your object, and this I'm going to apply on my object. You'll be not able to see it, but the moment you press it, you'll be able to see it. So putting at more, you can give a different material on your. One of the most important thing in this material assignment is this, that let us say that if I go to my material, and if I go to my again my material list, and let's say that I'm interested in some particular material, but in that also I'm selected in some particular region. For example, if you see this, I'm going to select this, and if I enlarge it, this is how the material looks like. And let us say that I want to put on my object only the material which is related to the yellow flowers and green. I don't want these full part green. So first let me apply this material and show you. I'm going to apply this material on the object. I'm going to say this. Now you can see that on my floor I have got a flowers with a leaf, and plus I have got other green spots also. Let us say that I am interested only on the flowers of green. So what you're going to do is that by selecting a material, you'll go a little down, and here you'll go to a view image in bitmap parameter. When you open a view image, in this you can see that it's got a region. If you're not able to see it, you can give some color first. Now you can see that you can select what exactly you want. So I am selecting only that part which is related to my yellow and green flower, and then I'm going to say apply. So you can see only that part related to the flower has come. Now if I increase from here, instead of 1 1, if I increase 3 3, you can see I will get 3 flowers on this side and 3 flowers on this side. So this is all about the basic of materials. I hope you have liked the practical. If you have any questions, please do write, and thank you for watching the practical. Have a good day.